Good morning, boys and girls. This week for writing, we're going to be working on a story. And this type of writing is called narrative writing. Go ahead and say narrative writing. All right. So I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit. Okay. And so when we're talking about narrative writing, we always have a beginning, okay? The beginning of a story introduces who is in the story and where it takes place. So the characters in the setting. And so right here, just this picture, we notice that there are some boys and girls, and they're probably like at a soccer field. Okay, so what we're going to do is today we're going to decide who are the characters that you want to write about and where your story is going to take place. Okay, so I'm going to write my own story, and then you at home, you are going to write your own story too. So today we're just going to focus on the characters. And these can be people that you know. They can be made up characters. And so I'm going to leave that up to you. So the characters in my story today are going to be people that I know. So my characters are going to be my kids. I know them. But now if you want to write about something that's pretend, you can do that too. I'm going to write about Hannah, Zach, and Cassie today. So I'm going to write their names down. And while I'm doing this, I want you to think about who you want to write about, okay? Because after we're done with this lesson, you are going to write down your characters and where the setting is. Okay, so I have my characters. Let's move it over just a little bit. There we go. Hannah, Zach, and Cassie are my characters today. And my setting, okay, my setting is going to be, and I like to do these little dots, a colon. Colon? Yeah, okay. My setting today is going to be a forest. Okay. All right, so that's all I want you to do today, boys and girls. It's going to be a short little writing assignment today, but then by either the end of the week or next week, we're going to put all of this together. So just to recap, this week we're learning about narrative writing, and right now we're just focusing on the beginning, okay? And remember, the beginning of a story introduces who is in the story and where it takes place. So to start with, I have my characters, Hannah, Zach, and Cassie, and my setting is the forest right now. Okay, so now, boys and girls, I would like you to get a piece of paper, okay? And I would like you to write down your characters. You can have, I have 3 characters right now, but you can have one character, you can have more than 3 characters, it's up to you. And then I want you to write where your setting is. And my setting today is a forest. And again, remember, your setting can be any place you think of. Maybe it's a Mrs. Holman today. Maybe it's a made-up place. Today I'm just writing about something that actually happened. So when I'm done, I will have a beginning to my story, I will have a middle, and then I'll have an end to my story. All right, so get to writing. Have a good day.